The compact global industrial lightweight hand-operated lift truck can be used to lift boxes, supplies, containers, and equipment weighing up to 400 pounds. Designed with a compact frame that fits through standard doors in the upright position without having to tilt back, it is ideal for applications where aisles and congested areas prevent the use of larger equipment. The lift truck is made with a durable steel and lightweight aluminum frame and features fixed straddle-style legs with 24-inch outside width distance. The 22-inch long heavy-duty steel forks are operated by a hand crank winch that has a folding handle for transport. The forks can be inverted to provide two different lift heights. The height range with forks in the standard position is 3.5 inches to a max height 98 inches. Height range with forks inverted is 21.25 inches to a max height 120 inches. The foot-operated wheel lock secures the truck for safe loading, raising, and lowering. The lift truck can be easily laid flat and rolled into delivery vans using the upper handle rollers. Maximize your lift truck's potential by adding on the optional slip-on platform, model number 989054. The blue steel platform attaches to the forks of your lift truck, creating a versatile lifting and positioning platform. Learn more about our full line of material handling carts and trucks online. Global Industrial, the source for industrial equipment and supplies.